All right, everyone, it's time to rip the Band-Aid off and tell you some bad news about the technician shortage. Over the next 5 years, the automotive repair and service industry is expected to face a significant shortage of technicians, with a projected deficit too large to meet the demand for vehicle maintenance and repairs of everyday drivers. However, it's not all bad news. Let's review some recent data that shows how the technician shortfall is projected to be lower than what we've seen in the past. In TechForce Foundation's 2023 Transportation Supply and Demand Report, the organization provided some hope that the technician shortage is recovering. According to the report, for the first time in 10 years, collective completions of post-secondary automotive, collision, diesel, and aviation programs have increased. The automotive sector saw almost 5,000 additional students graduating in 2022 over the previous year. Good enough for a 17% increase. While 17% isn't strong enough to declare the technician shortage is over, it's still cause for some celebration. The report also showed an addition of over 50,000 automotive technicians joining the workforce in 2022, and a total growth of over 78,000 technicians in 2 years. Also, the TechForce Foundation said in 2022 that the number of technicians needed in the next 5 years is nearly 1 million. In 2023, however, the number fell to 795,000. It may not seem like it, but that's some great progress, representing more than a 20% decrease in just 1 year. This is all great news, but there's still a long way to go. Of the 795,000 needed techs, almost 500,000 of those need to be new employees in the automotive segment. All trades are trying to recruit the next generation of professionals, but how can you stand out? The most important thing you can do is to tailor your marketing strategy when it comes to hiring people, especially young folks. Creating a brochure or having an inspiring message for young technicians who like to fix things or use their hands can really set you apart and encourage more technicians to join the industry and, more importantly, your business. Sure, 2-year technician schools are important and certainly supply businesses with new technicians, but that's just a small part of the puzzle when it comes to recruiting and retaining talent. Not to mention it's completely out of your control. When it comes to doing your part to reduce the technician shortage, focus on things you can control. Be the shop that values feedback, promotes a healthy work environment and culture that thrives off of employee feedback, and supports professional development by offering competitive compensation. For more tire and service videos, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I'm Christian Hinton, coming to you from the Tire Review Continental Tire Garage Studio at Babcock's Media. See you next time.